Hello YouTube, I've got here a parcel, and this parcel has beautiful superhero stamps on it. It's nicer than the usual parcel, which just has the eBay printout. I use the eBay printouts. They come in very handy. However, seeing some proper stamps from time to time, it's just much more fun. Let's see what's inside. A little box. That's it. That's a one box event. Zoom in. And in this box, which I probably should open here. Probably. I don't know. In the box, in a wrapping paper which talks about the Honorable Prince Charles doing some farming. It is Prince Charles doing some farming. Quite nice. We've got a little parcel, very well wrapped. Maybe a bit too much sellotape at the inner side here. Maybe I can. Let's pull it out. Even more sellotape. There's a lot of sellotape, I have to say. Oh, that's funny. Because this here is quite a nice little Lima. Seems to have had some temperature issues here. Overall, it's very dirty. Some sticky tape also on this side. So this machine has melted at some point. What you call it, burned or melted, whatever you want. I doubt very much that this can be rescued, but anyways, just for the sake of doing it, I will open it and look inside. I'm a bit disappointed with myself that I didn't realize this when I inspected the pictures on eBay. Probably was written, please look carefully at the pictures. That's as honest as it gets. That's the wrong screw, and I can barely get it out. It's a bit of a shame. Or maybe it's just has melted to the point that it can't get out anymore. Also here you can tell it's all burnt and melted. Someone has opened it at this point, but wasn't honest enough to communicate this. The question is, why has it burned? This is what is interesting. So this looks pretty horrendous here. It has been soldered on. I think I'll just see whether it's working or not. See what happens. may still be working, you never know. So I was a bit surprised with these Limas. No, as expected, completely, no. Well, that's fascinating. So this means we've got a problem between... No, it's working. Oh, this locomotive is still working, despite all the burn. That's fascinating. I think that's a new motor in here. This can't be the motor from this melted shell. Maybe I've just to exchange the body. Let's see whether it actually runs on the track. I get the impression that we need new traction tires. I got somewhere in a blind spot. Yeah. The traction tires are missing. That's a very little thing to do, and then the engine will be working again. The question is it worth keeping this very burned body? Could probably turn it around like this. Just give it a good clean, and I'll be able to use this locomotive. Something is tethering a bit. Not bad. Engine is working. Certainly not the greatest condition, but I can always add a new body shell and things will be sorted. Thanks for watching.